If you do not have your materials, go ahead and pause this video right now and go ahead and go grab what you need to be able to work along with me. So in today's lesson, we are going to be subtracting to be able to find out how old certain people are. So for this activity, we are going to be finding out how old I am. So go ahead and solve this problem with me. So while I'm talking, go ahead and write down 2018 minus 1989, and we're going to be solving this together. So we always start in the ones place, right? So can I take 8 minus 9? No, I cannot. So I have to look at the one place value over. Do I have anything I can borrow from? Yeah, I have one long I can take away. If I take away one long, I'm left with 0 longs. So I'm taking that one long and I'm breaking it up into baby cubes. So technically what I'm saying is 10 baby cubes plus the 8 baby cubes I already have in my ones place. So it's no longer 8 baby cubes, it's 10 plus 8, which is 18. So now can I subtract in my ones place? Yeah, it's 18 minus 9. What is 18 minus 9? It's 9. Now I'm moving on to my tens place. You only go one place value at a time. Can I take 0 minus 8? No. So I move over to my hundreds place. Do I have any flats I can borrow? Nope. So now I can move on to the thousands place. Do I have any big cubes in the thousands place that I can borrow from? Yeah, I have 2. So I'm going to take away one of them and that leaves 1 left over. I'm moving that big cube and I'm turning those into, I'm breaking them down into flats. So how many big cubes are in, how many flats are in a big cube? There's 10. So I no longer have 0, I have 10 big cubes. So back to the tens place. I'm still at 0 minus 8 and I can only borrow from the hundreds place. So do I have any that I can borrow from in the hundreds place now? Yeah, I have 10. So I'm going to take away one of my flats and I'm left with 9 now if I take away 1. So now I'm adding that flat and I'm breaking it up into longs. How many longs are in a flat? There's 10, right? So technically I'm saying 0 longs plus 10 more. So what's 0 plus 10? It's 10, right? So now my problem says 10 longs minus 8 longs. What's 10 minus 8? It's 2. Now, 9 minus 9, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So how old am I? 29. All right, go ahead and erase your board. We're going to do another one. Go ahead and write 2018 minus 1980, and you're going to solve for how old Mrs. Wolf is. Go ahead and pause this video and solve. All right, now that you are back, let's go ahead and check our answers. So, ones place, can we take 8 minus 0? Absolutely, we don't have to borrow anything. 8 minus 0 is 8. Tens place, can I take 1 minus 8? No, I cannot. So I have to borrow from the hundreds place. Do I have anything I can borrow from the hundreds place? No, so I have to keep going. In the thousands place, do I have anything I can borrow? Sure, there's 2 here. So I'm going to take away 1. And that leaves 1 left over. So that big cube is chopped up into 10 flats because there are 10 flats in a big cube. So I no longer have 0 flats. I now have 10 flats. So now I'm back to my tens place because I can't subtract anything until I have subtracted place value by place value. So can I take 1 minus 8? Nope. So I move over to the hundreds place. Do I have anything I can borrow from now? Sure, I have 10. So let's take away one of those flats, and I'm left with 9, and move that over and chop those up into longs. So right now I have 1 long plus the 10 more that I just moved over into the tens place. So what's 10 plus 1 that are already there? Well, it's 11, isn't it? So now can I take 11 minus 8? Yeah, what is 11 minus 8? It's 3. Now I have in the hundreds place 9 minus 9 and 1 minus 1. How old is Mrs. Wolf? She's 38. So sometimes subtraction can be fun if you apply it to real world experiences. You got to know how to find out how old people are sometimes, don't you? All right, great job today and good luck on your exit ticket.